Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Spark key fob here. It works for these models 2016, 2022, and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right in this side. When you turn the fob like this, you see this small button. Now, you need to press this button, and when you press it, this way you can very easily remove this mechanical key over here. Now, when you remove the mechanical key, right here, hold the fob like this, with the buttons facing down, and on this side, you see this small button. Now you need to take the mechanical key, and with the tip only, right here, insert the tip right in this hole, and just twist it a little bit now, push up. And the whole idea here is just to separate this fob into two pieces like this. So you need to remove this back cover. Alright, now when you separate this fob into two pieces, you see this piece and this piece. Alright, now on this side, you see your old dead battery. Now, to remove the battery, it's very easy. Take the tip of the mechanical key or the small flat screwdriver and just on this side or on this side, whatever you find easier, insert the tip only and just push the battery outside. Now, when you remove the battery, here in the same place, insert your new battery, and also make sure, this step here is very important, make sure this side here is the negative side that faces you. Alright, this side here is the negative side, and when you place the battery over here, now take again these two pieces, make sure you align them perfectly, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together. Now, when you snap them together, take this mechanical key again, take it and make sure you insert it back in the fob, just like in the beginning. And when you insert the mechanical key inside, right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.